The wealthiest people don't just invest in stocks or real estate, but in small, strategic things that multiply their money effortlessly. See, most people think getting rich is about making big moves, like starting a billion-dollar business or landing a dream job. But the reality? True wealth is built through small, consistent investments that most people overlook. By the end of this video, you'll discover 10 little but powerful investments that the rich make, which silently multiply their wealth over time. And trust me, all these investments are so simple yet so powerful. If you apply it, your financial future could change forever. And here's the best part. You don't need $1 million to start. These 10 tiny investments are things you can begin today, but only if you know what to look for. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. Buying information that others ignore. Information is key. For example, hedge fund managers pay thousands per year for private research reports, giving them a huge advantage in investments. Most people spend $1,000 on a new iPhone but refuse to spend $50 on a book that could teach them how to make $100,000. Rich people think differently. They don't just consume free content, they pay for premium knowledge. Subscribe to paid newsletters, market analysis, and exclusive data sources. Don't rely solely on mainstream advice. Seek out alternative perspectives and insights. Develop the confidence to pursue opportunities others overlook based on solid research and analysis. Number 2. Investing in better sleep. The secret to billionaire energy. Most people believe that working late nights and sacrificing sleep is the price of success. But the truth is, sleep deprivation makes you broke. Research shows that people who sleep less than 6 hours per night have 13% lower productivity and make 30% worse financial decisions. Imagine a trader who makes a poor investment just because he's exhausted. That mistake could cost thousands of dollars. So if you're sleep deprived, you're not hustling harder, you're just making dumber financial choices. If you're still pulling all-nighters thinking it's a flex, ask yourself, do you want to look busy or do you want to be rich? Actionable fix? Invest in blackout curtains, cooling mattresses, and a consistent sleep schedule, because a sharper brain makes sharper money moves. Number 3. Buying back their time instead of saving pennies. Here's the biggest mistake middle-class people make. They trade their most valuable asset, time, for pennies. They waste hours doing tasks they could easily outsource, thinking they're saving money, but in reality, they're losing thousands in missed opportunities. If your hourly rate is $50, but you spend 3 hours cleaning your house instead of working on a side hustle or investment strategy, you've just lost $150 worth of your time. Rich people understand this, which is why they pay others to do low-value tasks so they can focus on high-value activities. Outsource tasks that don't contribute to your wealth, whether it's cleaning, grocery shopping, or simple admin work. Remember, the wealthy don't work harder, they work smarter. Number 4. Paying to be in the right rooms. Wealth is not just about what you know, but who you know. Most people think networking is about attending free meetups or connecting on LinkedIn. The truth? The richest opportunities are behind closed doors. That's why the wealthy pay thousands to join exclusive masterminds, high-level business conferences, and private investment clubs. These are places where million-dollar deals happen over dinner, not in public forums. Look at Lewis Howes, who was broke and living on his sister's couch. He spent his last dollars to attend an elite networking event, met key business figures, and later built a multi-million-dollar personal brand. If you're wondering why you're stuck in the same financial place, look around. Are you in the right rooms or are you surrounded by average earners? Number 5. Investing in their appearance and personal brand. Most people say looks don't matter. Reality check? They absolutely do. Studies show that people who dress better, speak confidently, and carry themselves well earn up to 15% more over their lifetime. Rich people understand that their appearance and personal brand are not about vanity. It's about influence, credibility, and making more money. Neil Patel, a marketing millionaire, was once ignored by big clients until he invested in high-end clothing, a professional website, and premium branding. Within a year, his business skyrocketed. Compare this to someone who wears cheap clothes to business meetings and wonders why no one takes them seriously. Invest in looking and presenting yourself like a high-value individual. Number 6. Learning high-income skills that print money forever. Rich invest in skills that make money chase them forever. The average person learns random skills, while the rich focus on one skill that prints money for life. Learning high-income skills is like owning a printing press for cash. Once you master them, you can generate wealth on demand. If you master copywriting, sales, digital marketing, investing, or negotiation, you can make money in any economy. The average person spends thousands on entertainment and luxuries but hesitates to invest in skills that could 10x their income. Why? Because they prioritize instant gratification over long-term wealth. Wealthy people invest in skills that create money, not just in savings. Your income will always match the level of your most valuable skill. Number 7. Paying for financial experts to avoid costly mistakes. The rich don't guess with their money. They pay experts to make their money work smarter, not harder. The average person tries to figure it out on their own, making expensive mistakes that could have been avoided. A shocking fact? The average American loses over $1.5 million in potential wealth due to bad financial decisions over a lifetime. The wealthy understand this and invest in financial advisors, tax strategists, and investment mentors to maximize gains and minimize losses. Smart people learn from mistakes. The rich learn from experts. A good financial expert costs money but saves you way more in the long run. Hiring financial experts is like using GPS for wealth. While others get lost, you reach your financial destination faster and safer. Number 8. Investing in their work environment. Your surroundings control your productivity. Rich people invest in ergonomic chairs, distraction-free offices, and the best tech to boost efficiency. The rich understand a simple truth: your environment shapes your success. As James Clear writes in Atomic Habits, environment is the invisible hand that shapes human behavior. Upgrade your workspace. Get an ergonomic chair, a powerful laptop, noise-canceling headphones, or even a dedicated home office. Your work environment isn't an expense. It's an investment in your productivity and income. The richer the workspace, the richer the results. Next one is bonus and most powerful investment to have in life: learning how to sell and negotiate. If you can't sell, you can't succeed. Period. Whether you're closing a business deal, negotiating a salary, or even convincing someone of your ideas. Sales and negotiation are the ultimate money-making skills. Most people avoid learning them because they think sales is pushy or manipulative. That's why they stay underpaid, miss business opportunities, and get stuck accepting whatever life throws at them. For example, a job seeker who masters negotiation can increase their salary by 20 to 50%, while an entrepreneur who learns sales can turn cold leads into loyal customers, scaling their business. Sales isn't just for salespeople, it's for anyone who wants financial freedom. Negotiation is the difference between being underpaid and being unstoppable. Not knowing sales and negotiation is like leaving money on the table every day. While the rich take their share, you walk away empty-handed. Wealth isn't just about big investments. It's built through small, smart decisions that compound over time. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.